Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Marginal utility measures extra satisfaction from one more unit. Let's find what happens to total utility when that extra gain hits 0. Think of marginal utility as the slope of your total utility curve. If you keep eating pizza, each slice adds less joy until you finally reach a point of complete satisfaction. As long as marginal utility is positive, your total utility keeps climbing higher. But once that marginal value drops to exactly 0, you are no longer adding any more happiness overall. This point represents the peak of enjoyment. Since you cannot go higher, total utility is maximized, making option C our final winning choice. Well done! Scan now, watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given info, and check steps to ensure you always find the peak correctly.